Hi everyone, Merry Christmas again, but in the last video I forgot to tell you that I got a little tiny black laptop from my grandparents for Christmas. So yeah, this video is mostly about that, but another thing that this video is mostly about is I'm going to show you my birds. I've actually shown you my cat and my dog, and I have hamsters to show you, but now I'm going to show you my birds that are at my dad's. And if there's two in the cage, don't be run me. But my friend, he's a boy. He went on a vacation and wanted me to keep him. So my bird is green and yellow. His name is Trent, and his bird is blue and black, and his name is Luke. And they're both boys. So yeah, here they are. And here's Maxwell again. Meow meow. So yeah, here they are. Here they are. Yeah. That's Dad, stop. Sorry, that's my dad. So yeah, that's them. Yeah. So yeah, again, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye bye. Say squeak. Squeak squeak. There you go.